Oh, here's the question.
Itong tanong. Ay, English pala ako. This is the question. Isa-isa lang pa nga.
Pala. Narito ang pangatlong sang tanong.
Sabog!
Bago siya naging Miss Universe,
Before she entered the universe, like that.
alin dito ang naging racket din ni Catriona Gray?
Pardon, please?
Alin dito ang naging racket ni Catriona Gray?
What I want? What she want to
What gig?
to
What
grab?
gig? What gig?
What gig she
What,
want
yeah.
to use? Basta yun.
Before she entered.
Before she entered Miss
Before she
Universe.
became a Miss Universe.
No, listen to me. I am
Okay,
the
okay.
interpreter.
Don't fight.
Sorry
No.
naman. Sorry.
Sorry naman. This is the question.
Okay.
Miss Universe, Catriona, what her gig before?
Oh, what
A.
did she do before?
Yeah.
Before
What
she,
are her gigs?
You're right.
before
you're
she
right.
became, okay, here's
You're right.